there's some of the plots that we developed last year, and we grew potatoes. And we have flooding still. So over the next month, the water table will go down, and we'll get lots of, it'll dry out, and we'll be able to get on here and start farming. We're going to start indoors growing our seedlings, and then once the greenhouse is built, we're going to move the seedlings out to the greenhouse, and then from the greenhouse we'll move them out to the fields when they're big enough. So this is the North McFarland Creek, and you see the water is pretty high right now. There's fish in this creek. Okay, so here's the other side of the creek, and so we see here's this huge area over here that is just beautiful soil. It's a little bit higher elevation, so it's drier at this time of year, so we can probably get on that sooner, start planting some crops. And then there's this huge area over here on this side that is this really flat and beautiful soil, perfect for growing berries or whatever type of crop that you want to grow. The soil has beautiful tilth. It's about 18 inches deep. The whole farm floods in the winter time, so the water table's pretty high, and so if you walked over here, it would probably be kind of a bit soupy. Yeah. Need rubber boots in some areas. So you see how it comes around the bend here. There's a bit of a forest area in the center. Well, we see we go around the corner here, and there's this big area over here that could be used. Beautiful farmland. Okay, it is a beautiful place. Look at the mountains. Yeah. But there's a shot of the market garden. There's 6 plots in here that are measure 60 by 100. So 16 30 inch rows, 100 feet long in each block. So we have plenty of space to grow vegetables over the growing season, and each student will be assigned a plot in the program, and they were responsible for growing those crops and all the planning that goes into it.